Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful lacy bookmark. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook and a cutter. For this project, I am using 3 mm crochet hook. Start with the slip knot. Do 11 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 11 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So after doing 11 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do a slip stitch in this last stitch. So insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So after doing a slip stitch, it looks like this. Next, do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So this will be considered as the first double crochet. Next, you are going to work inside this loop. You are going to do 12 double crochet inside this loop. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 11 more double crochet inside the circle. Totally, you should have 13 double crochet. So this chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13.
After doing 13 double crochet, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. Do a double crochet in the top of the double crochet. Chain 1, next stitch, double crochet. Chain 1, next stitch, double crochet. Chain 1, next stitch, double crochet. So likewise, you have to do till you reach this last stitch, that is chain 1 and do a double crochet in the next stitch. So totally you should have 13 double crochet. After completing the round, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work, do a single crochet in the same stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Next, do chain 2, 1, 2 and skip this chain 1 space. In the next double crochet, you'll be doing 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. Skip this chain 1 space and in the next double crochet on the top of that you will be doing 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So this will be the pattern which you are going to follow, that is do chain 2, skip this chain 1 space and in the top of this double crochet you will be doing 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Chain 2, skip the chain 1 space and in this top of the double crochet you'll be doing 2 single crochet till you reach the last stitch. So in this last stitch you'll be doing a single crochet in this third stitch. Do 1 more single crochet. So after completing the round, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, you'll do a single crochet down this chain 4. That is, you'll take the front loop this and the side loop and you'll do a single crochet. Next, do chain 3. 1, 2, 3 and do a single crochet in this gap. So it will look like this. Next, turn your work. So next you will be working in this chain 7 space. You are going to do 12 double crochet. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12.
So after completing them, it looks like this. The chain 3 which we have joined in this loop, it counts as the first double crochet. So totally you will be having 13 double crochet. So next we have to follow the same pattern what we did for this side. So that is do chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. So do double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch. So likewise you will be doing till you reach this end. Totally you should have 13 double crochet. For the 13th double crochet, we will do the double crochet in this single crochet. After completing them, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work, do a single crochet in the same stitch, chain 2, do 2 single crochet in the top of the double crochet, chain 2, skip this chain 1 space and do 2 single crochet in the top of this double crochet. So this is the pattern you have to follow till you reach the last stitch, that is chain 2, do 2 single crochet in the top of this double crochet, chain 2, do 2 single crochet in the top of this double crochet till you reach this end. After completing them, it looks like this. So for next round, do chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and do a single crochet in the bottom of this double crochet by taking this loop as well as this side loop. Next do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work and you are going to work in this loop. That is, you are going to do 12 double crochet how we did previously. So the only difference is for the first time you will have do a chain 3 and you will connect it to the first loop. And after that we won't connect them to the loops. We'll do chain 3, turn your work and do 12 double crochet in this chain 7 loop. 1, 2. After doing 12 double crochet inside this chain 7 loop, it looks like this. This first chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. So totally you will be having 13 double crochet. Next we have to follow the same pattern how we did before. That is, we'll do chain 4 and do a double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet till you reach the last stitch. After doing the double crochet round, we'll do a single crochet. That is, first stitch we'll do single crochet, then chain 2, then do 2 single crochet on the top of the double crochet. Chain 2, do 2 single crochet on the top of the double crochet till you reach the last. After completing them, it looks like this. So by following the same pattern, you can do till the required length of the bookmark you want. After doing them till the required length, it looks like this. Next, you can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Lacy bookmark looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.